This area is very special. It is the meeting point for different roads. For the railway, you can see the trains, the faster train. It's very fast. It's a high-speed railway, and there's the normal railway. You can see, normal track. Look above, that is the highway. This is for the biking and e-bikes. So this project was very complicated, very hard to establish it, but it was done. That one is for the highway. The cars can run on it. That one is too. The cars can be, look at the lorry. Yeah, this is amazing. Very cool. If the temperature is around 39, if you stay here, it's very windy. Now it's very windy. This is a great place to cool ourselves. Very nice. There's a lot of trees along this way. Wow. Look at the column. Very strong. Not a precarious. Very strong. Must be totally strong. Let's check it closer. Actually, there's a little river ahead. Look how wide is it. So the whole bridge, the whole structure can be supported by this kind of columns. Wow, it is more than 5 meters. Fantastic. Look at that. Yeah. Incredible. Okay, let's go and check the river. I'm going to bike. That is my bicycle. I just came from that direction. From that direction. It's pretty nice. And let's go and check the river. So here we go. China is really super at infrastructure establishment and infrastructure construction. Do you go with me for this point? Look at those highways. That one. The base is very strong. It is based in the river. Incredible. So the traffic jam can be decreased in this way. It won't be very heavy since everyone has his own lane. The bicycles go this lane and the cars go that lane and the trains go that track. The fast train goes its track and the normal train goes ahead for another track. So everything is clear, everything is great. Can you see my bicycle? Most people ride e-bikes, but I'm a bicycle rider. Look at the sky, it's beautiful. Okay, do you like these infrastructures? The lights are on. God, the lights are on. Look at the lights. They're on. It's a waste of electricity. Okay, if you like this video, give me a like. Bye bye everyone. See you.